Do you guys love it how Ollie and I are matching today in our little plaid shirts? Today we're off on a little adventure with Ford. We are on our way to do some horseback riding. I've never been on a horse. Today we've got a car for little carefree couples just like us. Lovely Eco Sport is so cute, and I think it's perfect for those city drives as well. You know, when you have to stop and go at every traffic light, parking, that would be huge. The car is really compact and really sweet. We've been driving through Highway 1, no problem, super smooth. Now we're on our way to Bragg Creek. So we've set up a destination, connected our phones, like 3 buttons to press, your phone is connected, so good. We've got 2 USB ports here, so Ollie and I are both charging our phones at the same time. We always fight in our car for who's going to be charging their phones. Look how beautiful it is outside. Yes. There was a tiny little turn that we almost missed. Wow, that's rustic. Can't wait to try. There is a horse. There's 3. And there's a 4th one. Oh my god, that's so cute. So we made it to the Moose Mountain Ranch. The horses are so beautiful. So we'll be taking 2 horses, obviously. Ollie will be on this horse called Heart, and I'll be on Juno, and I'm excited. It's gonna be so fun. There are huge dogs here. I got really freaked out by one, but no, they seem to be super nice. Oh, those horses are so stunning. I think I'm good to go. What do you guys think? These are from the Stampede, and that as well. Oh my gosh, this is my horse. I'm gonna use the mountain block to get in. Ollie's a natural. Wow. And this is my girl, Juno. How beautiful is she? Aww. Alright, cool. I think I'm ready. Guys, this landscape. All the greens and yellows, oh my god. My girl is doing so well. Oh wow. Alright, gonna put my camera away for now. Just to be safe. But it's so stunning. Wow. Look at that. And there's our instructor called Victoria. And she's from France, from Lille. Such fantastic experience and such an amazing day. We've got snow in the forecast next week, like 2 degrees and stuff, but today it's just wow, just wow. Just having a little break whilst the horse is grazing. Like, oh, and the dogs are having the best time. The dogs belong to the ranch. Look at my cowboy there. Howdy. Oh, that's another stop for us. I think that might be the last one. With a view. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. I can't believe these horses. And they're so good, so well trained. We're just having the best time with that view. We just got in. Kind of hurt. Oh wow, what a fun experience. Wow. Oh, what a beautiful girl you were, Juno. You give her a carrot? Ollie's made a buddy. Yeah. Aww. Oh look! Loves you.
Wow, I gave him a carrot. Right? That's good.
So beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming.
Oh wow, we had such a good time.
Yeah,
hey!
He was amazing.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Yeah, that's how we walk now. That's fine. We're fine. But we had such a good time. Back to our little Ford EcoSport. My post horse ride hair situation is a bit wild, but oh my god, we had so much fun. Now we're back to our blue little horse. It's a lot faster and safer because at some point my horse Juno took off a little bit. Like, I'm sure it was just a teeny tiny jog, and I freaked out and I was like, oh my god, it's going so fast, this is how I'm gonna die. But no, I was in fact very, very safe and made it back, and the horse was amazing. We had the best time, and right now we're on our way to the Saskatoon farm. Gonna check it out, see what's up, have some lunch, walk around, and drive through Calgary back home. Would you guys look at those colors? It looks so pretty. It's crazy. So beautiful. There's a side of the road we could stop, maybe. It does look like there's a little bit of traffic coming up, and we've got about 40 minutes to go to Saskatoon Farms. I can't believe this weather today, with the snow in the forecast next weekend. We've been so lucky, and we're just having the best day so far. We're about 3 minutes away. I miss this place so much. I can't remember, it's been over a year since we came to this farm, to this area. Whatever south of Calgary is all beautiful, guys. If you ever stuck for something to do, Saskatoon Farm is wonderful, and if you have a bit more time, Waterton Park, fantastic area. Can't recommend it enough. But it's about 3 hours drive. So you need to have a nice car. I changed from my cowboy boots. Feels nice. It feels like summer. Oh, how cute is this place? I really missed it.
I think it was 20 bucks.
Look at that. And Ollie's queuing up for lunch. I'm gonna go and join him because we are starving. Oh, this is cute. Oh, the cafe is so busy. The queue was huge. There's like 10 people waiting, but the lovely waitress there said if you guys want, she could sit at the bar. We're like, yeah, we do. So we're about to order fresh vegetables straight from the farm. And oh my god, give me that. Yum. Alright, well, we're done with our lunch, and now we're gonna grab some treats for the family. Ollie's mum's been watching the girls all day, so she definitely deserves a little scroll as a minimum. And then we'll probably grab a Saskatoon pie to take home with us, and some fresh veggies. Thanks for taking home: Saskatoon berry and white chocolate scones, the pie, and some cookies. Oh my god, yes. They have a you-pick area here where you can go and pick your own vegetables, and maybe even Saskatoon berries. But we miss our babies. We really want to go home and give them a hug. This is probably one of the longest times that we've been away from them, and I think it's time we go back home just to see our girls. So what we're gonna do now, not to miss out on all the fresh veggies and berries, we're gonna grab some from here from the market and bring some home. I'm sure Ollie's mum will be so happy to have some fresh vegetables at home. We got some pie and cookies, and we're gonna head home to see our girls. So you grab a bag, you fill it with anything but garlic, and it will be $15. How cool is that? We're going home with a huge bag of veggies. Yeah, for those of you who think, what on earth is a courgette? It is, what is it? It's a zucchini, that's right. You see, us Europeans, we say aubergine for eggplant and courgette for zucchini. Look at that. Although the summer has failed us this year, we are rewarded by the Mother Nature with these amazing few days. And as I said earlier, the weather forecast is it's gonna probably snow next weekend. It's gonna be super fun. But we're ready. I think we're ready. We know what the weather is like here, so we got this. Oh, look at us. Who's got the shiniest, brightest car? That's us. We're gonna have to fit all of that in the trunk. Let's see. Because the car is pretty small, so as I said, like a compact city car. Can we do this? Hop in. And the pies, please. Oh wow, we're good. Still enough space for another box full of pies, please. Shall we go back and get some more pie?
Yeah.
Right, let's go home. Back in the car and my phone was almost dying, so I'm charging it because where we were with the horses there was no reception, so my phone kept on looking for reception and just ate up all the battery. But we're on our way home, charging my phone, all good, no panic. There's another feature, staying in your lane. Ah, see, we were close to the car.
Blind spots.
Blind spot. That's pretty cool. Our car doesn't have that. Hey, we just made it home. We had such fun day horseback riding. I feel like I made an actual friend in my Juno. Wasn't she the cutest? And then after that we drove south of Calgary all the way to the Saskatoon farm. We had an amazing day trying this car out. Really loved it. All the leather seats, and I can only imagine how nice it is to have heated seats in winter. I'm gonna have to say goodbye to it very soon, but I feel like Ollie's made up his mind and Ford will be our next car whenever we're ready to buy a new car. We had a great day. Really enjoyed our experience with Ford EcoSport. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and we'll see you guys next time.